Want to know how to count capital letters in a sentence in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you and explain you on a code basis on how you can easily do it. So, it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So we have created a text right here, that is string text, and we have named it Java is fun. So once you have done that, what we do is we just simply make an integer that is 0. So we have named it count, and now we use a for loop, and under a for loop we loop it through each character. Then we use Character.isUpperCase. So we have used this Character.isUpperCase method right here and keep a counter. So our counter should go up or increment every time an uppercase is shown. So that's it. After that is done, we just simply print the letters and you're good to go. I'll just run this code real quick to show you, and this is how it's done. And that's it. Our capital letters total is 5. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.